Imagine you're a busy professional juggling work, family, and social commitments. You know the importance of heart-healthy eating, but often find yourself reaching for quick, convenient, and not-so-healthy options. How can you prioritize your health without sacrificing your busy lifestyle? The challenge is balancing time constraints with the desire for meals that promote cardiovascular health, such as those rich in fiber, omega-3s, and antioxidants, without sacrificing flavor or ease of preparation. Meal prepping can be an effective way to ensure consistent heart-healthy eating habits. Options like nuts, seeds, fruits, and whole grain products that can help prevent unhealthy snacking choices when someone is in a rush. The goal is to find snacks that are easy to carry, satisfy cravings, and support heart health. This creamy green fruit isn't just a tasty topping for your toast. Packed with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, fiber, and potassium, avocados can be a game-changer for busy individuals looking to nourish their bodies without sacrificing flavor. Think of a heart-healthy diet like a sturdy bridge. Just as a bridge needs a strong foundation of various materials, your heart needs a variety of nutrients. This fruit plays a crucial role in this foundation, providing essential fats and antioxidants that contribute to overall heart health. It's like the sturdy steel beams that reinforce the bridge, ensuring its stability and longevity. Avocados are a nutrient-rich fruit containing nearly 20 essential nutrients, including heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. They're free of cholesterol, low in sugar and sodium, and can be effortlessly incorporated into dishes like toast, salads, or smoothies for a quick nutritional boost. Imagine you're a busy professional juggling work, family, and social commitments. You want to fuel your body with nutritious foods that support your heart health, but you often find yourself reaching for convenient, processed options. How can you incorporate more whole grains into your diet without sacrificing taste or convenience? Think of a heart-healthy diet like a well-oiled machine. Just as a machine needs a variety of high-quality parts to function smoothly, your body needs a diverse range of nutritious foods to operate at its best. Quinoa is like one of those essential parts, providing a solid foundation and essential nutrients to keep your heart running smoothly. Quinoa is a fast-cooking, protein-rich whole grain that provides all 9 essential amino acids. It offers more protein than brown rice and serves as an excellent source of plant-based iron and zinc. Picture yourself constantly on the move, balancing work, family, and social obligations. How can you discover a fast, portable, and nutritious snack that will boost your energy while promoting heart health? Imagine this fruit as a portable power bank for your body. Just as a power bank can quickly recharge your phone, it can provide a quick burst of energy to keep you going throughout your busy day. With its natural sugars, potassium, and fiber, it is a convenient and nutritious fuel source that can help you stay focused and energized. Bananas are a convenient, on-the-go snack, packed with energy, antioxidants, and vital minerals such as potassium and magnesium. They also contain resistant starch, which promotes gut health. Need a quick, heart-healthy snack that fits into your busy lifestyle? Find out which tiny, power-packed foods can boost your heart health and keep you energized throughout the day. Imagine a heart-healthy diet as a sturdy house. The foundation of this house is made up of whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. To strengthen this foundation and add durability, you need to incorporate building blocks like nuts and seeds. These tiny powerhouses provide essential nutrients, healthy fats, and fiber, helping to fortify your heart health. Almonds, walnuts, and flax seeds are excellent sources of healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants, making them a fantastic choice for heart health. These nutrient-dense foods are perfect for on-the-go snacking or can easily be incorporated into meals like yogurt, oatmeal, or salads. Whether you're looking to boost your energy or support a balanced diet, these versatile options add both flavor and nutritional benefits to your daily routine. Fuel your heart and your hectic schedule with nutrient-dense foods that provide long-lasting energy, support heart health, and are quick to prepare for even the busiest days. Imagine a busy city street. The traffic flows smoothly when the roads are well maintained and the vehicles are in good condition. Similarly, your body functions best when it has a strong foundation of whole grains. They're like the well-maintained roads that keep your energy levels flowing smoothly and support your overall health. Foods such as whole wheat bread, brown rice, and oats are excellent sources of fiber, which can contribute to lower cholesterol levels. These nutrient-rich options offer sustained energy, making them perfect for busy individuals. Plus, they are incredibly versatile and can be effortlessly added to a variety of meals, whether it's a hearty breakfast, a filling lunch, or a comforting dinner. By incorporating these wholesome choices into your diet, you not only enhance your overall nutrition but also support your heart health throughout your busy day. Thank you for joining us today as we explored heart-healthy foods that fit seamlessly into your busy lifestyle. If you're ready to dive deeper for better heart, be sure to check out our video, Checking My Heart Health. What I found will shock you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest tips for a healthier you. See you in the next video.